Hey guys, what's up? I just got this Gorilla Grip in. I'm going to be using this for in between my mattress and my bed. I just thought I'd open it up with you so we could take a look at it together and see what we got. Um, I don't know if you've used anything like this before, but these can be good. You can get them in different sizes. Like if you are want it to hold a mattress or even like a cushion on a chair. It's really good at just holding things in place and keeping them from moving around. Um, I'm having a little bit of trouble just getting into the bag. Let me see if I can pull that. There we go. Okay. Let's get that open. We'll take a good look at what we got here. I will say an important tip if you're, oh, sorry, if you're using this on a mattress or whatever you're using it on, but especially when you're doing like a larger mattress like I am with a king mattress, you don't want to lay it down and then slide the mattress across it because something like this could bunch up. So it's really helpful for me. Like I lift my mattress all the way up and then you can lay this out underneath it and then lay the mattress down on top. You want to keep this from bunching and just to give it as much coverage as possible. A little bunching isn't really going to matter. And it does do a pretty good job of staying in place because it's got a sort of like this rubbery feel to it. And that's what's going to help it stick to both sides of things. Like in my case, it's going to be sticking to wood on the bottom. It's a pretty smooth wood. And then it's going to be sticking to the mattress on the other side. And it'll do a good job of that. But anyway, I think it's pretty important to like I said, lay it down flat, and then you can either lay a mattress down like this, or if you have two people that are lifting it on, I would just recommend not sliding it on, just to get the most coverage out of this that you can. Anyway, this is pretty large, as you can see. I'll just be able to lay this flat out across the wood and then be good to go. Anyway, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.